Okay, what is the Golden Blitz event in Monopoly Go? Well, basically, if you click on it, this event allows us to trade gold stickers and also ask for gold stickers. So I'm going to show you how it works. So let's say we have a gold sticker right here, a random one that is selected for us. We can just click on send, and then we can choose a person from our friend list to add. So if you want to find their ID, or you can find them by ID, and all you got to do is just click on select, and the person will receive this gold sticker next time they play. So another thing you can do is ask for golden stickers or cards. So basically all you gotta do is click on ask, and this will open up the official Monopoly Go Facebook page, and right there is where you will ask, does anybody have, like in my example, big booty? Okay, nice. But yeah, you just gotta ask on the Facebook page, and if people have duplicates of this golden sticker, they can send you after they add you as a friend. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.